What is it?
Studies.
And what do you study there?
I study kidney.
And what does kidney do?
The pee out.
Good job.
Peepees.
And what's that, Ashley, right there? What is that?
Kidney.
Good job.
Kidney.
Uh-huh.
Kidney.
Good job.
Kidney.
Uh-huh.
Gosh.
Kidney.
A lot of kidneys.
And this is stuff for you to draw the kidney.
Kidney.
Ashley? Ashley, where's George Washington? Where is he? Ashley, where's Barack Obama?
Who's Barack Obama? He's on TV.
Do you like Barack Obama, Ashley? Look at Daddy.
He's our president.
Do you like him?
Yep.
All right.